Hey guys, what's up? So last year Qualcomm did something weird by launching a slightly modified Snapdragon 855 with higher GPU and CPU clock speeds and naming it the Snapdragon 855 Plus. The chipset made its way to some smartphones launched around that time such as the OnePlus 7T and the 7T Pro, but other companies such as Samsung stuck with the Snapdragon 855 for their Note 10 series of phones, which left them at a disadvantage compared to Snapdragon 855 Plus touting phones, at least with benchmark scores. A similar strategy was expected this year as well from Samsung for the Galaxy Note 20 that they would launch the phone with the 865, but some reports claim that it will have the updated 865 Plus SoC. However, if Meizu's CMO is to be believed, there is no 865 Plus this time around. Now Qualcomm hasn't always launched a Plus variant of its SoC, so it may be the case this year as well. The Snapdragon 865 is already a powerful chip and may not need any tweaking. However, it is speculated that Apple's A14 Bionic chip will be the first SoC to have a clock speed of over 3 GHz, and if that happens, there is a high chance that Qualcomm may try to level up by launching a higher clocked 865. That being said, Meizu is a partner and its CMO would have a fair share of idea about Qualcomm's plans, and we have no reason not to believe him. It's not all bad news though, at least for Galaxy Note fans, as if there is no 865 Plus, it can be put into smartphones, and hence the Note 20 will have the same horsepower as any other Android smartphone launching around the same time. Given the Exynos 990 situation, it should work in Samsung's favor as the Snapdragon 865 is already 20% faster than the Exynos chip in the Galaxy S20 series. Moving on, we have some good news as well. Samsung has extended the pre-booking offer redemption on the Galaxy S20 series to June 15 from April 30 previously in India, since the lockdown in the country has been extended till 3rd of May. Also, Samsung is working with Google on a custom Exynos chip for future Pixel phones, and it was expected that this chip would be launched as early as this year, but that seems to have changed to next year. The chips will be used in Google's phones such as the Pixel 6 along with Chromebooks, etc. The SoC is supposed to be manufactured on Samsung's 5nm LPE process and will support ARM CPU cores with 2 powerful Cortex A78, 2 Cortex A76 and 4 energy-efficient Cortex A55 cores. Google has also removed Samsung's ISP and NPU in favor of its own visual core and NPU. As to how that will turn out remains to be seen, and we'll have to wait till the next year. That's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Please hit the like button if you like this video and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.